Hello, this video will show you how to download a data file from FOL to your USB memory stick. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you'll need to go to the Fanch Online course. From the home page you can go to your content browser, go to the week that contains the data file that you're going to need. So data files, as I mentioned before with QuickBooks, are a little bit different than other software you've been using so far, in that you can't just double click on the file to open it up. You need to actually save it into a file location on your USB memory stick, and then when you're ready to use it, then you would open QuickBooks and then you would open the file. So you need to do it in that order. So first of all, you find the file that you want to download. If you hover your mouse over the file name, you'll see that it says Sparkles Winter 2015, and that it's a QBW file. That stands for QuickBook Working File. Some files may also say QBB, and that would stand for QuickBook Backup, and we'll talk about the difference later because there is a difference in how those files are treated. So the first thing you need to do to download is to click on the down pointing arrow beside the file name and click on Download. Right? Oftentimes for other files at this point we would just click Open. It doesn't make sense for a QuickBooks file to do that because, as we already know, we can't just open that file by double clicking on it. So we have to save it to our memory stick first. So that means we don't click on Save, we have to tell it specifically where to save it. So we click on the arrow pointing down and then we choose Save As. And then you would scroll through on your system to find the location where you want to save your data files. I have a memory stick here that I'm using for my data files. I have two folders created in that memory stick. One is called Data Files, the other is called Backup Files. So I'm going to open the Data Files folder, and that's where I'm going to save the Sparkles Winter 2015 QuickBook Working file. So then I just click on Save. The computer saves that file, downloads it to the location that I told it, and now I've got the message at the bottom that says that that is complete. So that I have now successfully downloaded that file to my USB. So now when I'm ready to work on that, whether that's in class or whether it's on an assignment at home, I now have that stored on my USB so that I could open QuickBooks and then I can go and open that company data file.